Hello, in today's video we will learn how to write code in htaccess file. Many times we will see that there are many sites which redirect to 404 page, but to redirect to this 404 page we need htaccess file. Okay, so first create a htaccess.txt file. Now write a code. Rewrite engine on first line. And next is rewrite condition. Rewrite condition https of third line, rewrite the rule. Dot star dollar space https colon slash curly bracket http host underscore host, then curly bracket start and close request URL. Square bracket start and end L, R equal to 301. Next option multi views. Options plus multi views. Next line rewrite engine on. Copy first line and paste here. Same rewrite condition. The condition is rewrite condition request file name. Next, copy this line and paste here. Change if. Okay. Next, rewrite rule. Copy this one, paste here. Third bracket open and start, square bracket open and start, slash dot plus dollar $1 dot PHP, square bracket open and close, write NC comma L. Now next line is 404 page redirect. Error document (404) https colon double slash your website name, your website .com slash 404 and save. I will provide the code in the description box. Thank you.